आज आप देख रहे हैं वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन ऑफ पोयम अ वर्क ऑफ आर्टिफिस। यहाँ हम इस वीडियो में सोल्व करने वाले हैं बीटा पब्लिकेशन की वर्कबुक को। और अगर आपने पोयम का एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं देखा है तो उसका लिंक भी आपको वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन से मिल जाएगा। तो शुरू करते हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन से। व्हाट डज द वर्ड आर्टिफिस मीन्स? आंसर इज डिसेप्शन। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, द बोनसाई ट्री डिड नॉट ग्रो 80 feet tall as? आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव। Third question, the tree's hidden potential is that? Answer, it can grow to an enormous height. Fourth, the bonsai tree symbolize is metaphor for? Answer, woman. What does bound feet suggest? Answer, putting restriction on growth. The gardener represent the days of the society. Answer is patriarchs. Why does the gardener whittle back the bonsai branches every day? Answer, to shape it to his liking. The gardener says that the tree is lucky because, answer, it has a pot to grow in. Next, the theme of the poem is? Answer, all of the above. Next, who is refers to as yours in it? It is your nature to be small and cozy. Answer, the bonsai tree. 11th, the gardener altered the trees by changing its? Answer, both A and B, yani size and natural habitat. The term dwarf in the poem means to curb someone's growth. 13th, which figure of speech is used in the line how lucky little tree? Answer is irony. 14th, which living creature one begin very early to dwarf their growth? Whose growth is the poem talking about? Answer, woman's growth. 15th question, why did the gardener limit the bonsai tree's growth? Answer, to keep it tidy and beautiful. 16th, which of the following is similar to word crippled? आंसर, डिफॉर्म्ड। अब आते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ट्री इज रिपोर्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट? हाउ टॉल वुड इट हैव ग्रोन एंड इन व्हाट सर्कमस्टेंसेस? ये इस पोएम में किस ट्री की बात हो रही है, वो कितने लंबाई तक बढ़ सकता है और किन परिस्थितियों में? द पोइस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द बोनसाई ट्री। इट कुड हैव ग्रोन टू 80 feet tall when वेयर ऑन द साइड ऑफ अ माउंटेन। ये पोइट यहाँ पर बोनसाई ट्री के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और ये 80 फीट तक बढ़ सकता है अगर इसे किसी पहाड़ के सहारे लगाया जाए। नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट डज द बोनसाई ट्री सिंबलाइज? एक्सप्लेन। यहाँ पर बोनसाई ट्री क्या सिंबलाइज है, किसके लिए यूज़ किया गया है? यहाँ पर बोनसाई ट्री यूज़ किया गया है वुमेन्स के लिए। वुमेन्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, जिन्हें समाज में जिनके लिए समाज में कुछ नियम्स और कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस बनाए हुए हैं और वो जिसकी वजह से वो अपनी फुल पोटेंशियल से अपने जीवन को नहीं जी सकते आज़ादी से। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, वेयर कुड इट हैव ग्रोन टॉल? हाउ वुड हैव बीन इट्स एनिमी हाइट इट्स एनिमी? आंसर, द ट्री हैव ग्रोन टॉल ऑन द साइड ऑफ अ माउंटेन। इट्स height would have been its enemy. It could not have been split by lightning due to prominence and exposure. Fourth question, why do you think the poet used the word attractive pot in the extract? Answer, the words attractive pot symbolize the societal constraint and beauty standards placed on women. While the pot may appear decorative and pleasant, it restricts the growth of tree just as societal norms meet the potential of women. Next question, what does till split by lightning symbolize? Answer, till split by lightning symbolize the potential danger or challenges one might face on the outside world. In the context of the poem, it could refer to the societal justification for limited women's freedom. The tree protects from lightning by being kept small and confined in its pots away from its natural habitat. आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सट्रैक्ट 2। हाउ टॉल इज द ट्री एंड हाउ डिड इट नॉट ग्रो एनी फर्दर? ट्री कितना लंबा है और वो और ऊपर क्यों नहीं बढ़ पा रहा? द ट्री इज 9 inch high, it not grow further because it was carefully pruned by the gardener to keep it that height. ये जो बोनसाई ट्री है सिर्फ 9 इंच का ही रह गया है, ये और इसलिए नहीं बढ़ पा रहा क्योंकि जो गार्डनर है वो उसकी टहनियों की कटाई छटाई करता है, जिसकी वजह से वो छोटा रह जाता है, उसकी टहनियों को काट देता है। क्वेश्चन सेकेंड, हु प्रून्स द ट्री, व्हाट डज ही डू सो, सॉरी व्हाई डज ही डू सो। यहाँ पर प्रून मतलब कि पेड़ की कटाई छटाई का काम कौन कर रहा है और वो ऐसा क्यों करता है। द गार्डनर प्रून्स द ट्री, he does to restrict its growth and shape in according to his desire, symbolize the space societal control over women। यहाँ पर गार्डनर जो है वो इस पेड़ की कटाई छटाई कर रहा है, वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो इसकी ग्रोथ को रोकना चाहता है और अपने मन मुताबिक इसको आकार देना चाहता है। यहाँ पर ये सिंबलाइज करता है महिलाओं के लिए जिन पर पुरुषों द्वारा कंट्रोल किया जाता है या समाज द्वारा उन्हें कंट्रोल किया जाता है। What does croons means? Briefly describe the symbols used here. Answer: croons means to hum or sing in a soft, low voice. Symbolically, it represents the soothing and deceptive reassurance society gives women while imposing restriction on them. Question 4. What role do the short lines of the poem play? Answer: the short lines of the poem emphasize confinement and restriction, mirroring the limited growth of the bonsai tree and suppressed potential of women. Fifth question, identify the gardening vocabulary used in the extract. The gardener vocabulary used in the extract includes pruned, whittles, branches. This term aid in the artifice of bonsai by illustrating the meticulous care and manipulation exerted by the gardener, paralleling the societal constraint placed on women. Extract 3, question number 1. What is the nature of the tree according to the gardener? Answer: according to the gardener, the nature of the tree is to be small, cozy, domestic and weak. Next, is the tree lucky to grow in a pot? Explain. The irony is in this line. The lines suggest that the tree is lucky to have a pot to grow in. However, the irony of the pot restricts the tree's growth and potential, just as the societal norms confine women. What effect do these lines have on the tree? Explain. These lines emphasize the limitation placed on the tree. They convey the idea that the tree is conditioned to believe its conformed state in natural and even fortunate, reflecting the societal condition of women. Even though the tree had the potential to grow taller, it did not. Why? The tree did not grow taller because it was pruned and restricted by the gardener, symbolized societal constraints that prevent women from realizing their full potential. Fifth question, if the tree was nurtured, it would have grown tall, reach its potential. Comment. Answer: if the tree was nurtured and allowed to grow without restriction, it would have reached to its full height and potential. The mirrors the ideas that if women were allowed the same opportunity and freedom as men, they would also reach their full potential. Next, extract 4. Why should one begin very earlier? What do you understand by the dwarf? Answer: one should begin very earlier to condition and restriction growth, ensuring that the subject remains under control. Dwarf means to stunt or limit growth, both physically and mentally. Question second, what is the significance of dwarf and crippled? Answer: both dwarf and crippled emphasize the international act of the limiting and damaging growth and potential. These terms highlight the suppression of women and their potential by societal norms. Third answer is bound feet refers to the ancient Chinese practice of wrapping young girls' feet to prevent them from the growth. This painful and crippled procedure was done to confirm the beauty standards. It symbolizes the extreme length to which society go to suppress and control women. Fourth answer, the poet is talking about women. The reference to bound feet and hair in curls are practices associated with women are used highlights societal expectation and constraints placed on them. Question number 5. Explain the meaning and symbolize symbolism in the hands you love to touch. The hand you love to touch suggests intimacy and affection, but also restriction, that objectification of women. It emphasizes the dichotomy of how society cherishes women while simultaneously suppressing and control them.